everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a custom thumbnail using Canva. Those of you who don't know about the Canva is a free program. You can sign up free. So I'm just going to open up Canva, Canva. And then since I'm using a custom thumbnail, so I'm just gonna click on create a design, custom dimension, and just memorize that number 1920 and 1080. This is the perfect size for a thumbnail. Just gonna click on create new design. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to change the background to black. And then I'm gonna bring my picture, click on upload media, device, I'm just gonna feel the size. Sure, looks good. That looks good to me. And then I'm gonna click on text. There are so many text you can choose from here, but in this tutorial I'm just gonna do the simple one. I'm just going to type the text. How to create a custom thumbnail. Set it up like this. And you can adjust the picture, but that's how I do always. I'm just gonna increase the saturation, and you can do whatever you're gonna do. You can increase brightness or decrease. You can play around with it. And looks pretty good to me. So once you are happy with the design, you're just gonna simply click on download. There are two formats. I'm just gonna choose JPG, is JPEG. Click on download. It's all done, and let's see how this will turn out. looks pretty good to me. So I hope this video was helpful and informative, and please smash the like button and consider subscribe my channel, and please let me know in the comment down below how did it help you to create your custom thumbnail. Thanks for watching.